Go.
Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
What's up, everybody?
Guess what time of year it is?
It's St. Patrick's Day time!
Woo!
You're not wearing any green. You made no
I don't
effort.
have any green things. I'm sorry.
Apparently, he has one green shirt that says Hawaii.
That's it.
Which we didn't think really worked.
I know.
So I get to pinch you.
Ow!
You're supposed to wear green.
Why
right?
all the pinching? Why all the pinching in St. Patrick's Day? Are you guys curious?
Did you Google it,
I
Josh?
Googled it and I found out why.
Wait.
If you wear green, you're invisible to leprechauns and fairies and sprites and stuff.
Wait, so I'm invisible to leprechauns?
Yeah, apparently.
Woohoo! I'm gonna go crazy. I actually knew you had nothing for St. Patrick's Day. And so when I bought myself this lovely headband, I got you a little something.
It's nice.
Ta-da!
Oh!
Yay! But wait.
Awesome!
Wait, I think it lights up. Yes! Yes!
This is ridiculous. All right, let's see if I'm invisible to leprechauns now. Can you still see me?
I'm invisible.
But you're like as small as leprechaun.
There it is.
I've been waiting all day for the St. Patrick's joke. All day. The short joke.
But I did do a little research on St. Patrick's Day in Ireland. It's a very family-friendly holiday. It's a religious holiday. St. Patrick's Day marks the death of Ireland's 5th century patron saint, who, according to folklore, introduced Christianity to the Irish and banished snakes from the island.
Woo!
You hate snakes.
I hate snakes so much.
Yeah.
I'm terrified of snakes and have been for as long as I can remember. It actually affects where I travel. We went to Scotland. There's no snakes in Scotland.
No snakes.
There's no snakes in Hawaii.
No snakes
New
in
Zealand.
Hawaii.
Don't think I haven't researched this.
Jamaica?
Nope, not in Jamaica either.
Snake-free travel. Seriously scared of snakes.
I am.
You'd be
pretty terrified.
You'd be a big fan of St. Patrick.
Yeah, St. Patrick, you're my man.
Did your family celebrate St. Patrick's Day?
I mean, not really.
Not
it wasn't
really?
like, I mean, we celebrated at school. We all wore green to school. And
Right.
I don't even know if we're Irish at all.
I think we're supposed to be some Irish.
Yeah?
I think we should call our mom.
We should call our moms.
So we are gonna call my mom now to ask her if our family has some Irish. She thinks we're calling about baking stuff, I think. Because I said, Mom, can we call you for the baking channel? She's like, sure, I'm driving. I was like, okay. Hey, Mom.
What are you doing?
So, Mom, we're doing, our video this week is on St. Patrick's Day.
Okay.
And we're doing St. Patrick's Day desserts.
All right.
Mom, are we Irish at all? Like the Dukes and the Kinseys, are they Irish?
We're Irish, Scottish, and Brits.
Irish, Scottish, and Brits. What are you up to today, Mom?
I've left Graham. I went over to the tax man. I've just been gallivanting around, stopped at a couple of quilt shops, and on my way to Ombre now in Archer City.
I love it. You are a lady on the road.
Awesome.
That's covering a lot of ground today.
Well, that's how I roll.
That's how you roll. I feel like we should all go to Ireland, Mom.
For the next couple of months, I'm tied up, but then I'll be ready to go.
Okay, well, I think we should go to Ireland, Mom. I think we should go find our Irish ancestors. All right. Well, Mom, thanks so much. I love you so much.
I love you too, girl. Y'all have a good day.
All right, bye,
Okay.
Birdie.
Bye. I said, do you want to go to Ireland to find our Irish ancestors? And she said, I'm tied up for the next few months. And then she's free. Mom,
That's good. All right.
We're going.
That's what?
Let's go to
June?
Ireland.
Okay. But that's cool. So you do have Irish
Yes.
Irish ancestors.
I'm just a mutt, you guys.
Well,
I'm a
you're
mutt.
enough that you should be wearing green today. Let's try and call my mom here. Let's see if she's ready.
We're going to call Lynn Snyder of
Okay.
Denver, Colorado.
I don't remember ever hearing
Hello.
Irish. Oh, hey, Mom.
Hi.
Hold on 1 second, okay?
We are doing a little St. Patrick's Day episode for our baking channel.
I have a question for you. So, do we have any Irish ancestry?
Yes.
We do?
Yes.
Who?
My dad. His, when they came over, their name was Ombre.
Oh my gosh, then
Yeah.
that's quite a bit.
I'm not 100% sure how far back it went, but they took the O off and changed it to Burke.
Now we have to go to Ireland.
My mom said that we're also Irish. My mom's mother's maiden name was Murphy. The Murphys and the O'Burks.
I guess I have to now. I had no idea. I had no idea I was Irish.
So we might be planning a family trip to Ireland.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much.
All right, thanks, Mom.
Bye.
Bye. There you go. I'm Irish too.
We're both part Irish.
That's probably why I can speak in an Irish accent so
No, you
well.
can't.
I can speak in an Irish accent anytime I want.
It's like a duck meets an Australian meets a.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
So, in honor of St. Patrick's Day.
And our Irish heritage.
Yeah, and all of you celebrating out there, what are we making today?
We are making mini ombre cakes. They're little tiny cakes that are stacked on each other with icing in between, and each section is colored differently.
Stop it.
Yep. And
Those are going to be so cute.
Yep. So we're going to make an ombre cake that's different tiers of green, and then sprinkle with some green sprinkles and some
icing.
Yummy cream cheese icing.
All right, so what do we do?
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make the cake. So there's two ways you can go about making the cake. You can make it from scratch, which I think always tastes better. If you're looking for an easy way out, you can use the box mix and it works just as well. Okay.
No judgment, at least not from this lady.
So Ange is going to explain how to make this great cake mix.
Am?
Yep,
Did you write it down?
I did.
Okay, good. Here I go, guys. All right, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need to make this white cake mix. 1/2 cup salted butter, softened, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 3/4 cups cake flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 large egg whites, 3/4 cups milk, room temp. Now, this is how you make it. In a large mixing bowl, use a hand mixer to cream the butter and sugar together. Beat in vanilla. Use a fork to combine the eggs and milk together in a bowl. In another mixing bowl, stir together cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Add 1/3 of the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and mix it. Add in half of the milk mixture and combine. Add in another 1/3 of the dry ingredients and mix with the hand mixer until just combined, followed by the remainder of the milk mixture. Add in the remainder of the dry ingredients and mix with the hand mixer until just combined. Divide batter in 3 bowls and use food coloring of your choice. Pour mixtures in the 3 prepared pans. Bake at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. Let sit in pans for 5 minutes before transferring. Here's the thing, your cakes are always so even. You know what I mean? They're just like, mine are always lumpy and...
Well, that's because I'm just that good.
Okay.
Or there might be a special tool you use called the cake leveler.
The cake leveler!
So yeah, you might want to level the cakes off so you don't have, lopsided little ombre cakes. Pretty easy to do, really. Okay, so now we're going to start making we're going to use the cookie cutter and start making the cakes.
So how many of these little guys can you get?
I think about 5. Now you're going to have some leftover cake, which we like to just keep in a Ziploc bag.
Keep it in a Ziploc, and then when you want a little snack.
Yeah, you just come and grab a little bit of cake.
All
so
right.
just like a sugar cookie.
Okay.
And you get these nice little circles.
So cute.
Yeah.
So that's one layer.
When I make these ombre cakes, I put the darker color on the bottom and then kind of stack it up because I feel like that aesthetically that looks the best. The leftover cake goes into a Ziploc for us for later.
So we made these for St. Patrick's Day, but I actually think these cakes are so cute and they look very springtime to me. So I know this is our St. Patrick's Day episode, but I actually think these cakes would be really cute for any kind of spring, Eastery,
absolutely,
like spring garden tea party, or like a birthday, right?
Little birthday cakes for everybody.
I was even thinking they'd be really cute at like a baby shower.
Yeah, not having a baby.
We're not having a baby.
Even though I like to tease the kids about that all the time.
You do. Every time we have to tell them something like.
I'm like, guys, we have something really important to tell you.
Like, hey guys, we're gonna like maybe go to Legoland, but like, hey guys, we wanted to tell you something. Josh is like. We're having a baby. No!
And they're like, what?
It's become like a running joke. So just the other night, we just were gonna tell them that we're gonna go out to eat instead of make dinner because we were tired. It was like Saturday night, your mom was in town. Hey guys, we wanna tell you. And Jack goes, you're having a baby.
You're having a baby. I cried wolf too many times. Cool. Okay, so now we have all of our little cake shapes cut out. We're going to learn how to make the cream cheese frosting, which is so delicious, and then we can start creating these cakes.
Okay, great.
Okay. The ingredients you'll need are 1/4 cup butter softened, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna use our little hand mixer here to cream the butter. It doesn't take too long with the butter being softened like this. I'm gonna add the cream cheese, just on low speed, really get the cream cheese and the butter mixed together. Now we're gonna add the vanilla, and we're going to mix this in. Okay, so now we're gonna spoon in about 1/3 of the powdered sugar. Mix this on low speed. Let me mix this part. No, you can mix it, just let me get it blended a little bit more. So now we're gonna add half of the heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna mix that in. Then we're going to add another 1/3 of the powdered sugar.
Just on one, right?
Yep.
Oh, is that low? How badly are you wanting to step in?
So bad. No, you're doing great. You're actually doing really
It's like being in the kitchen with one of the kids.
A little bit. Now we're gonna add the rest of the cream. So 1 more tablespoon. Mix this together, and then we'll finish off by adding the rest of the powdered sugar. And then we'll be done with our cream cheese icing. What do you think?
That's really good.
Okay, that's it. We are done with the cream cheese frosting.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but my mom used to hand my sisters and I each one of these after she was
Oh yeah.
Oh, I love that. Memories. Oh, whoops.
And this should be just enough icing for all 5 ombre cakes. So now it's time to create our ombre cakes.
Yay.
This is the fun part. So we're gonna take our icing and make our first layer. So then we'll take the next darker color, do another layer just the same way.
I bet they look really cute on a platter too, like on a birthday table or for your party.
Or for St. Patrick's Day.
Or St. Patrick's Day,
You know?
which is what we're making this for. It's in my head, I'm thinking like, oh, we have 3 kids' birthdays coming up.
That's
you guys.
true.
All of our kids are born in May, so I'm like, we haven't done these for a birthday yet. We should do these for a
And
birthday.
our new baby is coming
Stop
in May.
that. No. My gosh. Stop.
The top layer is where you want to be a little bit more particular about how you ice it. I like just to do a swirl all the way around.
You have such a steady hand. I know I always say that, but you really do. Pretty. So cute. I love it.
Yeah.
Is that about how much you put?
That's right.
Yep.
These ombre cakes turned out so adorable.
So cute.
Imagine these on a little platter.
Whoa.
Oh, almost lost that one.
So we just want to say thanks and give a shout out to all of you guys that are watching our channel and supporting us and making these recipes.
Yes. Yay.
Yay. We wish you all the best.
From our Irish family to yours. Happy St. Patrick's
Happy
Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
Yay.
Well, ow, stop pinching me. I thought of you because Josh had the house so cold my nose was running.
Oh, stop it.
So I turned the heat on.
71 degrees is not cold.
We'll call your mom back.
She's avoiding my calls for some reason.
Hi, this is Lynn. I'm unable to take your call.
Oh, well, she
okay.
left her message. This is really good. Mm-hmm. Is this our lunch?
We'll do our lunch.
What's up, fancy pants? Do you juggle?
Yeah, I do.
Why have I?
A little bit.
I've never seen you juggle.
I mean, just 3.
Yeah, nice.
All right.
Oh, Renaissance Fair. I can roller skate and play tennis. This is all I got.
Roller skate really good. Oh,